How to fix WhatsApp verification code not receiving problem. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix WhatsApp verification code not receiving problem on your phone. So if you are also facing such issue on your phone, so what you can do is simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, scroll all the way down until you see the application option, and from over here you just have to select the WhatsApp application. So let me just select it, my WhatsApp application. So once you select WhatsApp application, just tap on it, and from over here just head over to permission and make sure you have allowed the permission for both phone and SMS specifically. So once you both allow your permission for both phone and SMS, simply restart your WhatsApp application and it should be open, and you should be open to receive the code. So if it is still not working, what you can do is simply head over to Google browser, or you can just tap on your WhatsApp as well and just search in for WhatsApp help center. So once you search in for WhatsApp help center, simply scroll all the way down until you see this contact us option. So just tap on it, and from over here just click on the first link, which is for all the questions related regarding your WhatsApp messenger. So simply tap on it, and here you will have to enter your phone number, email address, and your verified email address, and the device in which you are using WhatsApp, and just enter the following keywords to send it to the WhatsApp support team. So once you enter your problem and just click on next step, and they will have successfully received to you, and they will get back to you under like 24 hours under your provided Gmail, and you just have to follow the on-screen instructions and their commands to successfully recover the problem of your verification code not receiving. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.